Order of adjectives. Yes. When we use more than one word to describe a noun, we have to follow a specific order. And I believe that native speakers, we use this like naturally. But for ESL students, this can be challenging. Okay, so I'm going to try my best to explain how we use the adjectives and in what order you should put them. Perfect. So the first thing that we have to use is opinion. So whenever you have a strong opinion about something, that's the first adjective that you put. So that would be like number one. And we can say things like unusual, lovely, beautiful. Whatever your opinion is about something that you're describing, that should go first. The next thing that we have to use is size. So opinion first, size number two. We can say words like big, small, tall. Then we have to use physical quality, like thin, rough, untidy. Then we have to use things like shape. So we can say round, square, rectangular. Then we have to use age. So when we say words like young, old, youthful, after that we have to use color. So all the colors that we know. So blue, red, pink. Then we have to use origin. So Dutch, Japanese, Turkish. Then we have to use the material. So we can say metal, wood, plastic. And the type, general purpose, four-sided, etc. And the last bit is purpose, cleaning, teaching, hammering, etc. So one more time, we have to use opinion first. Second, we use size. Third, we use physical quality. Fourth, we use shape. Fifth, we use age. Sixth, we use the color. Seventh, we have to use the origin. Eighth, we have to use the material. Ninth, we have to use the type. And 10th, we have to use the purpose. Perfect. So this is the order that you have to follow when you use multiple words to describe something. Let's check a few examples. Let's say we're describing a bowl, okay? The vase was made of a strange, so that's your opinion, yellow, that's the color, plastic, that's the material. So we say the vase was made of a strange yellow plastic material. Another example would be it's a long, okay, narrow wooden brush. Or we can say she was a beautiful, tall, thin, young, blonde Canadian woman. So all of these words that come before the noun, okay, they're describing the noun, okay? So we have to put them in a specific order. Perfect. We will move on with the next part of the course in a moment. Awesome. Here I have a few examples of images that we can describe for this exercise. So let's say we're describing the ring. We could say it's an unique silver and blue ring. Let's say we're describing the lamb. It's we can say beautiful or ugly. It's a beautiful old black antique lamp. For the glasses, we can say it's an elegant, tall glass bottle. Awesome. Let's move on with the next part of the course.